As you breathe in, lift both arms up. This step is Pranamasana. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides. And as you exhale, bring the palms together in front of the chest in a prayer position. Step 2, Hasta Uttasana. As you breathe in, lift the arms up and back. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body. This strengthens the joints of our shoulders. Step 3, Hasta Padasana. As you breathe out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale, bring the hands down to the floor. This enhances the flexibility of your spine. Step 4, Ashwasanchalanasana. As you breathe in, push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. This strengthens your hip muscles. Step 5, Dandasana. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. This strengthens your back. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly and slide forward, resting your chest and chin on the floor. This enhances the strength of your arms and shoulders. Step 7, Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise the chest up. You may keep your elbows bent. It helps to stretch your chest muscles. Step 8, Adho Mukha. Step 11, Hasta Uttasana. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward.
with yoga. Wishing you a very happy Yoga Day. I am Sahitya of Grade 10 is here to welcome you all. We have gathered here today to witness, celebrate and experience the joy of yoga. I welcome everyone to the 10th International Yoga Day 2024 with the theme Yoga for Self and Society. It means yoga underscores the interconnectedness of individual and collective health and highlights how yoga not only enhances personal health but also contributes to social well-being. With great honor and pleasure, I would like to welcome the chief guest of today's event, Mr. Suresh Guruji.
That's true.
Who is an MA graduate from Gulbarga University. In 1995, he received yoga training as a disciple of Sri Rishi Prabhakar Guruji, the founder of Siddha Samadhi Yoga. Since then till today, he has been conducting meditation, pranayama, yoga and personality development classes all over the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. He is also serving as District Secretary in Bharat Scout and Guide Organization. He is also working as Chairman of Hassan Taluk Indian Red Cross. He is serving as Joint Secretary of Shirdi Sai Baba Temple. He also conducts yoga and stress management classes in different organizations and district training centers. He has also served as a volunteer in the environment-related causes. Served as former president of Hassan District Children's Literature Council. We are extremely proud and happy to have you with us today. Heartily welcome you, sir. The one who acts as a pillar of support and strength with a clear vision and passion, entwined with nobility in all the activities of the school, is our principal, B. Madhukumar sir. Welcome you, sir. Vice Principal, Yogesh sir is more like the backbone of our school and handles all the challenging ventures taken at school. Welcome you, sir.
That's true.
I heartily welcome our dear teachers for joining our program. I also want to thank our school friends for joining our program. Wholeheartedly welcome all the participants for this glorified event. Yoga teaches us to cure what cannot be endured and endure what cannot be cured. With these quotes of biggest anger, once again welcome everyone to the 10th International Yoga Day. Thank you. Thank you, Sahitya, and welcome to you for this program. We have to know why is yoga important to everyone. So here is Vishita of grade 10th will be delivering a short speech on importance of yoga.
आदित्यस्य नमस्कारन्ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आयुः प्रज्ञबलं तेजस्क्रियां शाजयते, which means one who does Surya Namaskara daily gains longevity, wisdom, strength and luster. Respected principal, honorable chief guest, vice principal, teachers and my dear friends, a pleasant morning to one and all. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the International Yoga Day. This day is celebrated every year on 21st June to raise awareness about the benefits of yoga and to promote its practice worldwide. And this year's theme is Yoga for the Women Empowerment. And yoga is the journey of the self, through the self and to the self, are the wise words manifested in Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that has gained immense popularity all over the world. It is a practice that unites the mind, body and soul, that promotes physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Yoga has been recognized as a powerful tool to reduce stress, anxiety and depression, to improve concentration, focus and overall health. As Indians, we are very proud that one of our ancient Indian practice has been recognized in the international level and the whole world is celebrating this day, which upholds the dignity of our nation and a proud moment to all the Indians. One of the key benefits of yoga is that it helps to improve flexibility, strength and balance. The physical postures or asanas in yoga helps to stretch and tone the muscles, which improves flexibility and strength. This can help to prevent injuries and improve posture. Yoga is known to have a positive effect on nervous system. Breathing exercises and meditations can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which is important for maintaining good mental health. Regular practice of yoga can help to improve focus and concentration, which can improve productivity and overall quality of life. We can lead a happier and healthier life. Yoga does not change the way we see things. It transforms the person who sees. The International Yoga Day is an excellent opportunity to spread awareness about yoga and its benefit, especially for the younger generation. Let us pledge to make yoga a part of our daily routine and to spread its message to others. Let us take this opportunity to unite the spirit of yoga and to promote its practice for the betterment of ourselves and the society at large. It will definitely help you to lead a healthier and a great alternative to medicinal treatment for daily problems. It is better for everyone to practice yoga for a harmonious lifestyle. Yoga is not a religion, it is a science of well-being, a science of youthfulness, a science of integrity, body, mind and soul. Take your time to make your soul happy. By saying this, I would like to conclude my today's speech. Thank you, Manita.
Thank you, Rishita. It was informative. As we know, yoga is all about emotions. One such emotion is a happiness which forms from the basis of all our achievements. Now, I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. Suresh Guruji, and our principal, P. Madhukumar sir, to give away the prizes.
Of 10th International Yoga Day, Honorable Chief Guest Sri Suresh Guruji, teachers and my dear children, we have all witnessed meaningful yoga celebrations. And also, you have listened to the pleasant speech of Suresh Guruji. You all know, like every year we are celebrating this yoga, and we all tell you the importance of yoga in our life. Yoga, we all know this saying, health is wealth. Even when we were children, we are always heard like teachers telling, health is wealth. Till today, it is very relative. And yoga is our ancestral property, we would say. We have been practicing yoga maybe in between some time. Like we were just attracted by the Western countries and Western culture. And again, we are back to square, and from last 10 years, the ones even declared the International Yoga Day, there is a lot of traction for this yoga, and we are becoming aware of the importance of yoga. Yoga is like when we practice yoga, it helps us to help us in the control of body, mind and spirit. See, it is not only physical fitness, it is the mind and also the spirit. So as Suresh Guruji told you, you can practice yoga Like you need not do all the way exercises, maybe you don't get much time. But whenever you are traveling, whenever you are sitting in a class, it is not like yoga is a way of life. It is not just an exercise, it is a way of life. How do you sit? How do we stand? How do we sleep? What do we eat? What we shouldn't eat? Now all these things, in every posture there is a yoga. In every act there is a yoga. So understand yoga very well. So whenever there is a chance to practice yoga, you can practice it. So when you feel like yes, now this is very important for me, I need to practice at least every day 1 hour. I should spare some time for this yoga. When you feel like that, when your heart says yes, I should do it, you can practice. Spend a lot of time on that. At least 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. Morning physical exercise, evening you can spend some time on the meditation. Okay, so please practice it. Understand yoga first and then practice it. So if you have in mind that this is the use of if I practice yoga, yes, this is the benefit. Definitely it will benefit my education. It will help me to concentrate more. It will help me to learn better. It will help me to live better. Isn't it? So wish you all once again happy International Yoga Day. And then I really thank Suresh Guruji for having spared his valuable time with us. It was really pleasant listening to Guruji. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed it. Thank you.
of the nature by meditating. So, I request Suresh Guruji to conduct the meditation program.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮಗೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಥಿಯರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಡಿಸೈರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್. Then stretch your body, ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಡಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಂತಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಗಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಂತಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಗಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲೇ. ಗುಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳು. ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. It looks very fantastic. Please. ಈಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ತರ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾತೃತ್ವ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ತರ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಿ, shake your fingers. Good. Okay, please. ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್. ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿಟ್. ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾದಂತಹ ಆಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸುಖಾಸನ. ಸುಖಾಸನ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೂತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸುಖಾಸನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 10 minutes ಪದ್ಮಾಸನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪದ್ಮಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋವು ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಬಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ತಾನಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಈ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆನಂದದ ಪರಮಾನಂದದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಂಕಾರದ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Just think everything is perfectly all right. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ.
Is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Good afternoon everyone present over here. On behalf of our institution, I am glad to stand here to propose the vote of thanks. I extend my sincere gratitude to honor our chief guest, Mr. Suresh Guruji, who spoke about the importance of yoga in our life and also displayed meditation by which we can reduce stress-related diseases and also improve concentration. Now I request our principal to honor our chief guest, Mr. Suresh Guruji.